County ma Homa Bay odonje winjruok gi osiptal ma Aga Khan mar keto kar kedo gi tuo mar Kansa kata Kansa Center osiptal maduong' ma Homa Bay. Ogirimiti ma kamano madhi kawo higni 4 okete kogno gi jata tije maduong' mar Aga Khan Hospital ni Jane Wanyama gi gavana ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga mar chiwo thuolo mar chako loso kar kedo gi kansa ne thuolo mar dweche 3 mabiro. Gipuoyo okang'no mar giwacho ni koro dhi konyo neno ni jotuo mag kansa ok law thieth kuonde maboyo. Bende geno ni odhi konyo jotuo mawuok e counties mokiewo gi Homa Bay.
The primary goal of this initiative is to enhance and expand the quality, accessibility, and capacity of breast and cervical cancer care services across the cancer care continuum in Homa Bay and its neighboring counties. The project, funded by the AFD and the Gates Foundation for a period of 4 years, will go until March 2029 and is expected to benefit 88,900 women screened for breast and cervical cancer, 1.2 million girls vaccinated with HPV vaccines, as well as health workers skilled and knowledge improved through training in this region.
We are happy that this program will be supporting community engagement, sensitization, screening, so that cancer can be detected early, both cervical and breast cancer, which are the most common cancers here, can be detected early and dealt with at an early stage rather than waiting for when the cancer has progressed, and sometimes it is impossible to reverse.
Baso di yurmo kendo machuo kudu bang daka matin tano kusi orote maru imure Trevor ma ini Martino chieng lago ka wuok Rwea. Aneno Ramogi